Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrud Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well and studying regularly and following my online class regularly also. Today is already I have completed my P-test syllabus. Okay, biology P-test syllabus. So here no decision is at yet. So extra chapter will be revision from today. Okay. So first one, chapter 5. Chapter 5 is food, nutrition and digestion. Okay. Food, nutrition and digestion. Today is lecture 1. First one creative question. Okay. One creative question. Here Mr. Mamun is very skilled and hard working football player. Okay, very skilled and hard working football player. His age is 25 years, height is 1.7 meter and weight is 68 kg. Okay, he prefers to eat bread, potato, nuts and egg but less like to eat fruits. Some speech. Chapter 5 is very important for you or not, because previous 2 years from this chapter 2 questions, okay, 2 questions were selected in board question. 2019 here 2 question and 2020 from this chapter 2.5 question. Okay, so 2001 21 it may be important or not. Okay, but here some creative question you will I will discuss for you, so be attentive. Okay, eat bread, potato, nuts and egg but less like to eat fruits. Okay, first question, what is dieback? What is dieback? Dieback is a disease, okay, of plant which is causes by the deficiency of sulfur. Dieback is deficiency of sulfur. In this disease the tips of the stems die. The tips of the stems die and deficiency of sulfur. Number B, explain water play what type of rate. Explain water play what type of role for complete the functional activities of internal organs in human body. Internal organs in human body, water plays, that means the function of water. Okay. The other name of water is life. For the existence of life, water is just as important as oxygen. Water is the most essential component for your nutrition. Bodybuilding and internal functions are not possible without water. You know that. Bodybuilding and internal functions are not possible without water. No chemical reaction can occur inside the body without water. No chemical reaction inside the body without water. It acts as a solvent. Water is a solvent. Okay. Blood transport is possible only because of water. Nutrients from digested food in blood and oxygen are carried to the cells through water. Mineral salts remain dissolved in body fluid. Okay, in your body fluid, mineral nutrients, mineral salt remain dissolved in body fluid. Nutrients from digested food dissolved into water are absorbed into blood through the small intestine. Okay, this is a small intestine. Number C, determine the demand of daily calorie of Mr. Mamun. Okay, Mr. Mamunen daily calorie. Okay, calculate. So you first calculate male BMR, okay, of a male person. Okay, BMR of a male person, male, number C. Okay, male BMR, first one you calculate male BMR 66 plus 13.7 into weight kg plus 5 into height centimeter. Okay, 5 into height centimeter and minus. Okay, minus 6.8 into age year. Okay, here 66 plus 13.7 weight 68 kg. Okay, 68 plus 5 into height centimeter. Here this is meter, so 1.7 meter equals to 170 centimeter. Clear? Minus 6.8 into age. His age is 25 years. Okay, so 25. Then 66 plus 931.6 plus 850 minus 170. Okay, so calculate 1847.6 minus 170 equals to 1677.6 calorie. But here is not end. Okay, so Mr. Mamun is a very skilled and hard working football player. Okay, Mr. Mamun is a very skilled and hard working football player. So the required calorie by Mr. Mamun is কি হবে, the BMR value 1677.6 into 1.9 because Mr. Mamun is a very skilled and hard working. Okay, hard working. So you can multiply 1.9. So 3187.44 calorie. Yeah, okay. So the daily calorie demand of Mr. Mamun is 3187.44 calorie. Okay, this is the answer of C. This type mathematical term is very important for you. Okay, if selected from this chapter question, so this BMR will be selected. Okay, number D, liking and disliking foods of Mr. Mamun in the stem will play what type of role to maintain the physical fitness of his? Analyze it. Okay, physical fitness of it. Analyze. According to the stem, Mr. Rashid likes or prefers to eat bread, potato, nuts and yak. Okay, and he dislike or less like to eat fruits. Bread and potatoes are which type of food? Carbohydrate. Okay, bread and potato are carbohydrate type food which help in producing energy and play important role to maintain the physical fitness of Mr. Mamun. Okay. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. They are composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. 1 gram carbohydrate contain 4 kilocalorie energy. Nuts and yolk are the fat type food. Nut is vegetable fat and yak is animal fat. Okay, fat is an essential component of food. It is also composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and its main function is to produce heat and energy. Okay, it remains in the stomach for a long time. It is also stored in various organs. Their stored fats are used when food is not available. Fat contain more than twice as many calorie as carbohydrate and protein. Here fats contain 9 calorie energy. Nuts and egg yolk are the source of iron and nut is the source of phosphorus and potassium. These mineral salts are the most essential element in the formation of teeth, muscles, bone, enzymes and hormones. Mineral salt regulate body building and internal functions. Okay, they play a particular role in the nerve impulses, muscle contraction and maintaining water balance in body cells and keeping balance of acid and base. Mr. Mamun less like to eat fruits. Okay, less like to eat fruits, but various type of fruits contain vitamins such as vitamin A, C, E, K. Very small amount of vitamin is needed for health. Okay, vitamin is needed for very small portion, but needed for health. Even so, its importance is unlimited. Okay, the grow and to maintain healthy vitamins are absolutely necessary. So fruits will keep the body of Mr. Mamun free from diseases and maintain his physical fitness. Okay, this question is Dhaka board 19. Okay, Dhaka board 19. So this type question is very important for you. Here now some question for 1 and 2 now. First one, what is basic metabolic energy? What is basic metabolic energy? What is basic metabolic energy? Okay, this is the number 1. Okay, at the time of taking rest, our internal organs like hand, legs do not work. Okay, but the muscles involved with respiration, heart, etc. utilize energy to contract and expand. Okay, so consumption of energy still goes on. Okay, this energy is called basic metabolic energy. Okay, the organs of heart and lung. Okay, with respiration the organ involved lung and heart. Then what is the necessity of number 2? What is the necessity of necessity to include iron rich food in everyday food menu list. In everyday food menu list. Okay, this question is important for 2 number. Iron is the essential mineral salt for human body. Okay, due to deficiency of iron in body, anemia may occur. Okay, anemia. Anemia occurs when the density of hemoglobin is less than normal with respect to age and gender. This disease occurs due to the deficiency of essential elements of food like iron, folic acid or vitamin B12. Okay. So, the prevent this disease including iron enriched food such as kidney bean, liver, meat, eggs, peanut, vegetables in everyday food menu list is necessary. Okay. Then what is ideal blood pressure? Number 3. What is ideal blood pressure? Okay, this is the 1 number question. Okay, what is ideal blood pressure? Blood pressure is the pressure of the blood against the wall of arteries. You know, the ideal blood pressure of a normal adult person is 120/80. Okay, ideal blood pressure is 120/80. Okay, it is an ideal blood pressure. So 120/80 blood pressure is known as ideal blood pressure. Then go to what is hemoglobin? 4 number question. What is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin. Okay, it is the number of 1. What is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a type of colored pigment. Okay, hemoglobin is one type of colored pigment present in the red blood cells of blood. Okay, red blood cells of blood. Blood appears red because of its presence. Okay. Then why does occur anemia? Why does occur anemia? Okay, this is the question for 2. Acha, why does occur anemia? Anemia occurs when the density of hemoglobin is less. Okay, density of hemoglobin is less than normal with respect to age and gender. This disease occurs due to the deficiency of the essential element of food like iron, folic acid or vitamin 12. Okay, there are many causes of anemia that it may occur even without the deficiency of any nutrients. The deficiency of iron-based protein is the general cause of anemia in Bangladesh. Okay, iron deficiency is causes the general anemia in Bangladesh. There may be various causes of having iron deficiency anemia such as excessive blood loss, worms, shortage of iron in food, in growing children and pregnant mothers, obstruction in absorption of iron based food or infection in intestine. Okay, these are the also causes of anemia. Then what is roughage? Okay, what is roughage? What is roughage? What is roughage? Basically, roughage is cellulose and lignin of cell walls. Okay, dietary fibers of cereals, vegetables, and fruits are known as রাফেজ। ওকে, so these are the important question for you from chapter 5. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Kamrun Nahar madam.